Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 30th algorithm video, and in this task we would be given a number that consists of only zeros and ones, and we need to find the last index of the digit 1 present in the number. So first we would need to convert the number into a string so that we could iterate over all of its digits. String number is equal to str number, and I also make a variable of last index and I give it a value of -1, indicating that we have not yet found the index. Then I make a for loop for I in range 0 till length of str number. If str number I is equal to 1, I update the last index to I, and as I click play, as you can see, the last index of 1 is at 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can change the number also. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Sorry. Now as you can see that as I have changed the number and I have included many ones and zeros in the number, the last index of 1 is at 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and that is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.